Hi, I'm Shelley Fishel from Tomorrow's VA.
When you're presenting your presentation, you've spent ages creating it, you've got lots of nice pictures, text, bullet points, smart art, whatever you've got. There are times when you're in presentation mode that you want the screen to go black or white so that there's nothing to distract your audience from listening to you and your message, which is really important. So I'm going to show you exactly that. When you're in a slideshow, you can press the letter B to make the screen go black or the letter W to make the screen go white. And I'm going to demonstrate that. So I'm going to pop this into slideshow mode. And now when I press the letter B, the screen goes black. I press the letter B again and it comes back online. If I press W, you'll see that the screen goes white. W again brings me back into my presentation. So when you're presenting and you want the screen to go black, press the letter B. If you want the screen to go white, press the letter W.
To find out more about using Microsoft Office in your VA business, head over to www.tomorrowsva.com, where you'll find a wealth of extra information. We have a very active blog, and you'll also get access to our brilliant online training.